Hey everyone, my name is Heather Hall and I'm an independent consultant with Arbonne. I'm going to show you a look I did on my eyes for Good Friday. To start out, I'll be using our eye makeup primer to prep and prime the eyes before we put on the eyeshadow. Priming the eyes will allow for longer lasting eyeshadow and less creasing. And blending that in with the fluffy side of our concealer brush. The first eyeshadow I'll be using is this really light color called Fog. And I'll be taking this with, again, our concealer brush and buffing it over all of the places that I used the eye primer. This will give us a smooth surface to help blend out the rest of the eyeshadow colors. Turning down, tuning out, every single word that comes. The next eyeshadow I'll be using is this lighter tan, which is called Pebble. And I'm taking our all-over eye brush and placing this in the crease of my eye. This color acts as a great transition shade. Now I'm going to go in with this darker brown in the shade Sierra. I'll also be using the shading brush, which is smaller than the last one I used. And it's going to go also in the crease, but I'm not blending this as far out as the last color. And then taking a fluffier blending brush, I'll blend all of these colors out so there's no hard lines. And then this darker purple shade with kind of a shimmer in it is called Storm. And with more of a pointed crease brush, I'm going to take a little of that and put it on the outer corners of my eyes.
This world can be cold and bitter. Feels like we're in the dead of winter, waiting on something better. But am I really gonna hide forever? Over and over again, I hear your voice in my head. Let your light shine for all to see and start a fire.
And then again, I'm blending that out so there are no harsh lines. Next, I'm going to take just a little bit of this black in the color Onyx. And I'm just going to darken up that purple in the outer corner.
You only need a spark to start a whole blaze. It only takes a little faith. Let it start right here in this city. So these old walls will never be the same. Over and over again, I hear your voice in my head. They need to know, I need to go. Spirit, won't you fall on my heart now? Start a fire in my soul.
And once again, blending it all together. And now this just opens up the eyes so much. After that, I'm going to go in with this shimmer in the color Bluff. and it's going to go right on my eyelid. Not too far up, just to create more of a half-cut crease.
We carry the news that you have come to say. Only you can save. Start a fire in my soul, fan the flame and make it grow. So there's no doubt or denying. Let it burn so brightly.
Now that my eyeshadow is done, I'm going to go in with It's a Fine Line liquid eyeliner in black. This is a great eyeliner for creating a perfect cat eye.
Start a fire in me. Waking up knowing there's a reason. All my dreams come alive. Life is for living. With you, I've made my decision. You lift me up, fill my eyes with wonder. Forever young in your love, this freedom's untainted. With you, no moment is wasted.
Since the eyebrows are the frame to our eyes, I went ahead and filled in my eyebrows with the Shape It Up brow pencil, and I'm using the lightest color. I always start by brushing the hairs upward so I can more easily tell where I need to fill in with color. I also use the Shape It Up Tinted Brow Cream in light medium to outline the shape of my eyebrow. I use the slanted brush from one of our brush lines and take the color from the applicator. I then start tracing the outline of my eyebrow. After brushing the color through the hairs, I then go back with the pencil liner and fill in anything that needs a little touch-up.
You can drown me. The sweet embrace, the lovely taste. I taste and see. I'm under grace, the place to be. It means I'll never need an umbrella. I'm cool in the cold, in the hot weather. Whether or never I ever understand, I'm a man in the hands of great plans. I stand with faith.
Now I did do the rest of my face makeup off camera so that we could skip right to the rest of the eyes. I curl my eyelashes just using a regular eyelash curler. And using our It's a Long Story mascara, it is most definitely thebomb.com. I'll go in and put mascara on my eyelashes. This mascara is great for lengthening the lashes, and it also has a formula that actually encourages your lashes to grow. It's also buildable, so feel free to apply a second layer.
Another voice, another choice to listen to words somebody said. replay. One too many doubts inside my head. Am I strong, beautiful? Am I good enough? Do I belong after all that I've said and done? Is it real when I feel I don't measure up?
Here's the final look for the eyes. I did put mascara on the bottom lashes as well. If you want to see how I did the rest of my makeup, leave a comment below. And thanks so much for tuning in. I'll see you later.